how to turn on or turn off Relumino Outline Shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. Then in here, tap on accessibility. Next, we tap on vision enhancements. Then tap on Relumino Outline, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we go down and tap on Relumino Outline Shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to begin adding in the shortcuts. Now there are 3 different shortcuts in here that you can choose. Tap on accessibility button. You can turn on press side and volume buttons, volume up buttons combination. So here you can press the side and the volume up buttons to bring up a menu. Another menu is to press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So press and hold on volume up and down together at the same time for 3 seconds. So choose which shortcuts that you would like to add or removed, and then tap on OK. Here you can see if I tap on the accessibility button, I can turn on or switch it off. Now if I add in another shortcut in here, okay, so if I add in another shortcut and if I tap on this button, there will be a menu instead, because there are more than one options in this menu. So it will offer you a menu for you to select, and that's it. So finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.